Hey everybody, look what I got for the 2002 Ford Ranger. Picked this up off of Facebook Marketplace, and I'm going to go ahead and clean it up, sand it down, give it a coat of black paint, and then try to install it on the Ranger. I don't know how I'm going to do it. I don't know how I'm going to do it myself, I should say, but I guess I'll figure it out. So, stay tuned. Okay, you join me in the underside of the truck right now, where I was successfully able to go ahead and paint this, and I got it installed last night. It was pretty dark out when I finished, but it was super simple. I actually did it by myself. There's only 3 attachment points on each side, 1 there, 2 up on the side, and same over on this side. So in order to do it, I had to drop the spare tire. So what you're looking at is the underside of the truck where the spare tire goes. And here's the cable, it just swung up there. So I'm going to take this opportunity to go ahead and clean the tire and check the air, because it looks like there was some mice that had some nesting material up inside the tire, so time to clean that out. And luckily this truck was already actually wired. I think somebody had a hitch on here before, but this was just kind of stuffed up there. I don't really like the way it's kind of set up. This is a kind of a grommet that's supposed to go through something, I'm not sure what, but I'm going to take the opportunity to go ahead and clean up the wiring and clean the spare tire, make sure it's got plenty of air, and put this back together. So stay tuned. Okay, it's all finished. I dug up my old ball mount here, which I can use if I need to tow something. And I've had this hitch receiver cover for years and years and years. I don't even think you can buy those anymore. But anyway, it looks really good. I'm quite happy with it. Installed nice and neat. And it should definitely come in handy, because what good's a truck without being able to tow something? Not that this truck will be able to tow a whole lot, but at least maybe something small will definitely come in handy. So that's one more project down. I think Donovan approves. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the flip side.